Welcome to the tutorial to install Data Creator X by A.L.A. We are going to describe every step to install the Data Creator X. At first, we are going to download Python 3.4.0 from Python page. Depending on our operating system, we will choose the file. We may choose this if we have 32 bits operating system. If it's a 64-bit system, we will install this. We click here and get the file that you can see here. Then we download the PyGo object, which has bindings of the libraries that the graphic interface uses. Once this is downloaded, we proceed to install Python 3.4. This part of the installation is simple. You just need to choose and keep in mind where Python will be saved. Now, at this point, this option will be installed on local hard drive. It's recommended. It will help us to access Python 3.4 since the machine terminal CMD. However, now we'll check if the option got correctly enabled. At this point, Python is already installed. Now we check if the environment folder was created where we want it. So we give a right click on this PC properties, Advanced System Settings. We go to this Environment Variables option. We will look for the variable path. We will find path on both system variables and user variables. User variables are the ones available for this Frankie user. In case we had different Python versions installed, we could find it here. In this case, we see here C Python 34 C/Python 34 script for the user called Frankie. And for this computer, it's important to find those same variables. As we see, here they are, CPython 34 and CPython 34 script. So everything is perfect. We don't have to add anything else. Okay, here. Now we proceed to open the terminal. A start button, we write CMD. And now, here we are, so we can install the libraries that our code will need to run. We check here that 3.4 version of Python is installed and that we can access to it through the terminal writing python-v, python/v. We get all of these. However, the important thing is finding Python 3.4 here, so it's okay. Now we write exit parentheses so we can start the libraries we mentioned, the ones you can see here: NumPy 1.15.4 and matplotlib 2.2.3. To install them, we write here pip install numpy equal 1.15.4. It will download and install the package we indicate. As it says, the library was successfully installed. So we proceed to install the next one, matplotlib. We write here pip install matplotlib equal 2.2.3. In case we get an error trying to install any of these libraries, we may need to update the pip using this command you see here. Python and pip install upgrade pip. Once it's upgraded, you may try to install the libraries again with the same mentioned commands. I already did it here. You can see how matplotlib is being installed. And here we find this kind of error. It appears because since 3.4 is not the latest version of Python, they make us know that it has no longer support or maintenance. And that's it. Once matplotlib is installed, we start installing PyGoJob, the one we download with Python as the beginning. It will show us this window. This may take a while. We just wait until it extracts all the files. When it's done, this window will appear. We click on Add, Path, and then look for the location of our Python 3.4. If you remember, in my case, it was saved on C Python 34, and we click on OK. It will recognize the installation of that Python 3.4 and will show us this window where we select the destination folder to install the PyGoJob. Now we face this window where we select the libraries to install GDK PixBuff 2.36.2, GDL 3.22.0, Go Canvas 2.02, Gplugin 0.018, Gspell 0.2.3, GTK Plus 3.18.9, GTK Extensions, GTK GL.A XT 2.99.0 JIT, GTK Source View 3.18.2, Pango 1.40.6, and Popular 0.54.0. We click on Next. G3, GIT, GTK Flow 0.1.0, GTK Spell 3.0.3. Click on Next. Then we select here the package GIR, Plate 3.19, DevHelp 3.8, and we click on Yes. We are ready to install. When it's done, we can open our program without any problem with Data Creator X. Thank you so much for your attention, and thank you so much for installing the Data Creator X. Enjoy it!